So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, what am I doing today? In today's video, I'm gonna be featuring a wig that I got from a company called Neatandsleek. They came in this bag, so this is the bag that I got, which is really nice because I can store the wig after. I don't remember if I got lashes with this, because usually when you get wigs, you get like lashes. I have like my order info, so the cap size is small. Hair color is 1B and it's waist length, full lace wig. Wait till you guys see this. Are you guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready for this, because I wasn't ready for this. So anyway, they reached out to me and asked me to choose a wig. So you know, usually when companies ask me to choose a wig, I'm thinking like, you know, it's either curly, curly, water wave, like, you know, your typical different type of wig styles. But I said, you know what, let me give it a try. Let me try something different. So guys, y'all ready for this? You ready? Okay. This is the wig that I got for them. I got a braided wig, a freaking braided wig. Just when you thought they've done it all, they always just come with something new. I chose this color. They had like different colors. I chose to go with black because first of all, I didn't know how this was gonna look on me. I didn't even know what to expect, to be honest. This has a lot of weight to it. It's pretty heavy. Like I said, it's to your waist and it's all single braided. I'll give you guys a close-up just now. It has an adjustable band in the back, and it also has, I think, 3 clips. It has 3 clips. Bro, my arms. That's to show you guys how heavy it is. Okay, I'm over exaggerating a little, but no boost. This probably weighs like 1 pound. This literally, it looks so realistic. Like, looks so realistic, y'all. Like, look at the scalp. This is the scalp, the braids, everything just looks so realistic. It literally looks like when you braid your natural hair. I'm pretty sure you can like part it and do all that stuff with it, do different styles. This looks so realistic, it's crazy. Like, to know someone actually sat there and braided this is insane. The braids look so real. Let me give you guys a close-up of how the inside looks. So this is how the inside looks. You have like your adjustable straps, you have your 3 clips, and then it also comes with braided hair that was braided, but I unraveled it because I'm gonna cut it to make some baby hair. So it does come with baby hair. As you guys can see, my hair is currently red. So I'm hoping that when I put this on my hair, like the red's not gonna show. So right now we're testing out this wig to see how good it is without me putting a wig. I don't know if I'm about to put a wig cap on because my hair is red. So we're about to test that out right now. And then my baby hairs are red, so I can't even use my own natural baby hair. I like to use my own natural baby hair, but my baby hair is red. My sideburns are red, so I'm about to tuck all this back because I can't do all that. So with this wig, you actually can wet it. You can actually wet the braids. When you will go and get your own hair braided with extensions or whatever, and usually dip it in the hot water. With this, you can do that. So I'm gonna be doing that as well, which is pretty cool. It's literally like getting braid extensions, but in a faster method, like a faster way. Literally just dash this on, you're good to go. But yeah, so we're about to put it on right now. Hopefully I can put it on. Let's see how this goes.